Right, here goes. It's the time for the Pico Prep. This is picolax. Now, when I worked in, well, actually when I was a student nurse, and I worked on the the bowel surgery unit. God, this was 1989 to 1990, where they did all the bowel surgery. We used to give this rather a lot. I know from third-hand experience, it's horrendous. Once taken it, don't leave sight of the bathroom. In fact, take a good book, take an iPad, go into the bathroom. Just don't leave until it's over. I had a colonoscopy quite a while back and I had to do this, and oh, not good. So here we go for the bowel prep. So let's just see what we got in here. We got 2 sachets. Now I'm advised, luckily I only have to take one of them. The idea is I keep pooping and drinking water until I poo clear water. Oh, deep joys. God only knows what that's going to do to my electrolytes. Let's just see what the instructions say. I've got to be honest, I don't really need instructions, but yeah, it's all in Slovakian, or whatever the language is actually called. My ignorance is horrendous. Is it Slovakian? Is it Serbo-Croat? Is it Czech? I don't know. What is the language here? I just flew in and came straight here. Right, so I've got to take this in a glass of water, drink immediately, and then follow it up with 2 litres of water. That's going to be fun. Right, here we go. I actually don't remember what this tastes like. It looks texture of salt. It's quite gritty. Oh, smells nice. Smells of lemon. Right, here we go. Let's see what happens. Fizzing away. Wait till it stops fizzing. Now, I've charged up the iPad. It's not an iPad, it's not an Apple version. I've charged up the computer. I'm preloaded with loads of stuff. I've got Wi-Fi access. I'm going in. Wish me luck. It's actually quite nice.